All right, so I have an interesting question to pose to you guys today. It is said that contractor and carpenters' homes are actually the worst kept, least renovated, because these guys are busy doing customers and clients projects that they do not make time for their own homes, and they tend to be the worst kept. So I want to know, does that apply to making stuff for your own home, making your own furniture? The reason I ask is because as I'm finishing this coffee table with Rubio Monocoat Pure 2C, my favorite go-to finish for furniture, this table has actually taken 7 months. This is a table from my own cottage that has become kind of a running joke in our family, as my wife asked me, well, how did the table go? Is the table ready yet? Because it has literally been in various stages of finishing for 7 months. And today is the day well, I can finally apply the finishing coat. Now this Rubio 2C product, Rubio Monocoat rather, 2C product is pretty easy to use. You can apply it pretty sloppily as I'm doing here, and just go on it with a scraper. Get it in all the surfaces, use some gloves in your hand to get on the sides, and then come back in literally half an hour, buff it all off, and it looks mint. It is just so much easier to apply than a spray-on finish or a brush-on finish. Anyway, I want to know, what's the answer? Do you guys have honeydew or, projects for your own home that always get on the back burner due to stuff that you're doing for clients and paying customers? Comment below.